Let us now see how does the taxation of a foreign company which is engaged in the business relating to civil construction etc. for turnkey power projects work. And this is given under section 44 BBB. Again, as for most of the sections that we discussed, this is notwithstanding anything to the contrary in the provision for section 28 to 44AA. So now it is increasing. Earlier we were just up to 43A. Now it is 44AA. So you need to be careful as to what all is excluded. Right? A foreign company engaged in the business of civil construction or business of erection of plant or machinery or testing and commissioning thereof in connection with a turnkey power project approved by the central government in this behalf and financed under international aid program. So basically, if you are a foreign company which is engaged in the business of civil construction, okay, or you are in the process of erection of plant or machinery, etc., in connection with a turnkey power project, then you have an option to be governed by the provision of this section. Now what do these options do? Under this thing, your income is deemed to be an amount equal to 10% of the amount paid or payable to the assessee or any person on his behalf in this connection, whether in or outside India. So instead of going through the entire procedure of preparing a profit and loss account, the expenses and all those things, what the law gives to the company is, you just, whatever receipts you get, whether in or outside India, 10% of that we will treat you as your income. Right? And once this 10% is treated as your income, you pay tax at the rate applicable to you. You don't need to get into all those things relating to profit and loss account and all those things. But if the assessee claims that his income is lower, then that is also possible. So it's not necessary that you have to treat this as a sacrosanct, in the sense that once you've decided, once you're doing this business, then your income has to be computed as per this method. No, if you say my income is lower, then you can go for it as well. But the condition in that case is, the moment you say that your income is lower than 10%, such assessee can declare income which is lower than 10% provided it maintains. So you have to maintain the following: 1, books of accounts under section 44AA2, and second, get the accounts audited and furnish a tax audit report under section 44AB. Let's move on to the next slide now.